from this monster. What a catch! You did wonderfully, my dear.
We make a good team. It looks perfect right here.
Thank you for the chilies. They look so fresh.
You're welcome, sister.
We'll take some of the coriander as well.
We make a good team, don't we?
We certainly do. The vegetables are almost ready.
You make the perfect circle every time.
And you cook them perfectly. So peaceful, isn't it?
Yes.
I wish this moment could last forever.
Almost done now. It feels strong.
Yes, the fish won't stand a chance tomorrow.